Hi, welcome to another video, another episode on the E46 M3. Today we are at AMT Motorsport to do what is pretty much the last or second to last step on the M3, which is installing the engine. The engine's completely finished, has been for a while. It's been a very long project, a very long journey, and this is the last step to make sure the car is running. Everything else is done.
Guckst du so, Wichser, ha?
Streets are crying, ocean turns into fighting. past is also troubling. All the way from north to south, it's been a long time coming. Take it to the streets, hit control, delete. Take it to the streets, hit control, delete.
Alright, finally the car is back together. It is not finished by any means, but it's the first time it's running, as you can hear, and I still can't quite believe it. I'm super excited. I watched it just now for the first time. There's still lots of things that we need to do. The engine is brand new, it needs to be run in. I can't rev it high, doesn't matter. I just wanted to show you installing the engine and it running the first time. I'm super excited. Still lots of things that need to be fixed. ABS lights are going up, the brake pedal isn't working properly, etc, etc. Lots and lots of things. But it doesn't matter. We're going to take it on a short run up the road just to see how it feels and just mainly to show you guys how it looks. It actually already got its first setup from Custom Race Tech, and I think it looks really awesome. Marcel helped us just finish up the engine. The Hamas airbox is in there. It's powered by the Lightbox battery. And yeah, finally, step 9 out of 10. We aren't completely there, but we're almost there. So yeah, I think we're gonna do a fully detailed breakdown walk around when the car really is done, and we're gonna do some nice setting. But we're running out of light right now, and Bruno's helping me with taking some pictures and videos, which I'm very thankful for. So yeah, let's get out and let's see this thing roll.